Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stream in Discord mobile. So first of all you need to select your server where you want to stream. So this is the server where I'm going to stream. So firstly I need to join the voice channel, and once you join your voice channel, now it's time to stream. So for that we just need to drag up this menu, and once you drag it up you will see the option for share your screen. So just click here. Now here we have the option for start now. Just click on start now, and yeah, our screen is now started sharing. Here you can see that my screen is now sharing. So whatever I can show to people, they'll see the same thing on their phone. And also in order to on your camera, here you have the option for video as well. So just click here, and yeah, here you can see the camera is also started. So now people will see my face and the screen at the same time. Now in order to stop the video recording, you can just again tap on video icon, and let me just stop the sharing here by clicking on stop sharing. And yeah guys, now if I just click on red button, the stream will get end, and that's how you can stream on Discord mobile. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.